Let us compare a human baby with a baby turtle. The difference between these two infants is striking. When a turtle hatches from its egg, it is able to immediately dig its way up out of the sand and scuttle down to the water. It is independent, and no parents are needed. Human babies, by contrast, are born deaf and blind, with no fur to keep them warm. They are utterly helpless and require a caregiver for survival. This phenomenon is called altricial infancy. Being born helpless may seem like an evolutionary misstep for mammals and birds, yet there are benefits associated with this state of immaturity. The explanation for why altricial infancy is an evolutionary advantage lies in the emergence of endothermy. Once upon a time, 250 million years ago, something remarkable happened. The first endotherms, warm-blooded creatures, emerged. Endothermy is the capacity to generate one's own constant body temperature, regardless of temperature fluctuations in the environment. This allowed early warm-blooded creatures to forage at night and in colder climates, giving them access to a range of resources and habitats not available to their cold-blooded competitors. Endothermy came with a cost though. These warm-blooded creatures needed to eat 10 times as much as their cold-blooded counterparts to survive. To cope with this need for extra calories, evolution favored a trait that would give these endotherms an edge over the competition: a bigger, smarter brain. This bigger brain enabled these creatures to understand their environment better and apply that knowledge to foraging, mating and surviving. It allowed them to make finer distinctions between stimuli and to figure out causal relations between different things. This was a more efficient way of becoming smarter than waiting for genetic mutations to happen over long timescales. Being smarter required a powerful learning platform, which could not be achieved without immaturity at birth. For learning to occur, a structural change must occur in the brain to encode what is learned. If neonatal neurons are already in a mature state, then not much structure can be added without compromising instinctual responses. Therefore, any brain destined for flexible smartness must be immature, and thus altricial infancy was favored by evolution, and so, endothermy in the big brain, it gave birth to revolutionize the natural world, allowing mammals and birds to thrive, and allowing us to be